My gardening family, I am behind the scenes today. I hope you are all well and in the best of health. So, I have these peanuts that you're looking at right here, and some over in the container that my passion fruit is. I'm going to pull them all. I need to replenish these containers. I need to get rid of the peanuts inside them. I've done an extensive video on growing peanuts. It is very easy to grow, and you'll be surprised if you are not growing it how easy it is to grow. I see I have a papaya tree inside here. I said I was going to try again with any papaya tree though. I'm going to wait until my seedlings come, but I may transplant it. Oh, my dragon fruit did not make it. It wasn't pollinated. Alright, so let's get these over here and those over there. Uh-oh. These wanted something water, man. I needed water. The soil is not so soft at all. Uh-oh. These could have done better, in my opinion, because of what I'm going to share with you in the video. These pegs that you're looking at, they should have been in soil to produce peanuts. Yes. So I'm not really looking forward to a big harvest per se, because when I should have done it, I didn't. And so I knew what to expect. And I'm just going to satisfy with whatever I get. So this is one batch right here. Well, there are more. I'm going to put them together, of course, and show you. And I'm pretty sure that there are some in the soil. Look at this. Nice size. I'm going to go through the soil when I'm done to see what is in there. I can see some remaining in the soil as we speak. Some falling to the ground. Ow. Can you see them? Ugh. I'm pretty sure some is in the soil, but I'm going to use something to take them out. Yes, I need to clean up my dragon fruit a bit. Get some of my manure inside there. You can imagine if all these pegs had some dirt. That's the thing. The pegs need soil for them to give you tons of peanuts. I think whatever container I am going to plant peanut in again will be by itself, so that I can ensure that the pegs go down in the containers properly. Oh Lord, I root up one of my passion fruit. I'm rooting and not realizing, but that's fine. I'm going to put it right back. Some of them pop open and so I'm going to always get peanut in this container, but I am going to take them up, root them up each time, because any container at all you put peanut in, expect to always have peanut, because they are going to burst open. Like some will always leave back in the soil, and they're going to burst open and produce more peanut for you. So I'm going to sort out this, get rid of these roots. Yeah, I need to put back this passion fruit. I am going to put everything together. I just need to water this now. It will be okay. It will be okay. And it's the smaller one, so yeah, that's fine. So I am going to see all that I got from here and show you. So guys, I got these peanuts from it. A lot of them fell, and I realized that some in the container. I'm going to go through it properly, but I think I'm going to wait until in the morning, God's willing, because I know I missed quite a few, but I have some things I need to get done that I can't properly go through. But yes, with just few grains of peanuts, you can get this and a whole lot more. You see all of these pegs on this one plant. Just imagine if all of them went down in the soil. Tons and tons of peanuts, and almost all of them are like that, because what happened, I planted them with the intention to have the pegs go down properly, and then they grew so quickly. That's the thing too with peanut, they grew so quickly and they got out of hand, and then I saw a lizard around them quite often, and so I decided that, hey, leave them. And so I just left them. So if I did what I initially planned, then I would have tons of peanuts. But like I said, I am going to do better. So this one was just forming. Right? This one recently went down in the soil. So I am going to just leave these to dry. But I can tell you that I planted in the containers maybe this amount, and then all of that, right? And as I said, most of the plants are looking like this, I just took up this one to really show you what I'm talking about. So go ahead and plant your peanuts, and trust me, you'll love the reward. You don't even have to take my words for it. Just plant one single one. Well, that's a waste of time. But yeah, you get the picture, you get what I'm saying, right? Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.